Time to get a little bit more topsoil for the job, which we make our own. It's already growing shit. We got a D-site electric screening plant and the old John Deere that doesn't start with the key, but that's okay. It doesn't work. Whoops. That's what this is for. This is the big key. This will get it running. Thank you. No problem. So far the job's going well. We're almost done. We got one more stump. Oh, yeah, there's no brakes here. Who needs brakes, right? We got one more stump left. The one closest to the wall that I kind of figured had rocks in it. Yeah, it had rocks in it. I think I pulled about 12 or 14 rocks out of it. And luckily I didn't chip any teeth or shatter them or break any teeth. As soon as I heard the sound of a rock, I was able to pull it away and not damage anything. But you know, it was still a pain. Right now, this is going to be load number 6. Load 6. So this is a total of 12 yards coming into the job. And because I went there this morning with a load, and I'm hoping to maybe only need 6 more yards. Something like that. It's going to be pretty close. Load the old dump truck too much. 2 yards is pretty decent, especially since it rained like hell last night. So this stuff is a little wet. I'm just trying to get it dumped into piles on the job site, and then tomorrow when I finish the last stump, hopefully I can just spread everything out, call it a day. Hopefully. Quite an operation up here though. We got a couple 100 yards of topsoil and compost kind of separated when we truck it in because we make all our own. And then as we screen it, take 1 bucket of that, 1 bucket of this, throw it in there, mix it, throw it over there. Usually we'll have grass growing in about a week and a half. With no starter fertilizer, no anything. So kind of works in my benefit being able to have all my own material. Nice stuff, all screened down to 1/2 inch. You can see a little bit of the organics still left in it, but very minimal. It's like butter when you try and spread it. You just throw it and beautiful stuff. All right, let's get after it. Well, today's another day. We didn't get as much done yesterday as we wanted to. I delivered 4 yards of topsoil over there. and I started grinding this second to last stump, which the first 3/4 of it went super smooth. I had 3/4 of it done in like 45 minutes, maybe an hour. And then I hit all those rocks. And there's still more rocks in here. And it's a little bit too thick for me to dig with my excavator. We've got one still here, another one here, another one over here. There was one there, a few here. I mean, you can see most of these things. A lot of them are shattered because I hit them. These were chipped up, broken. I was cutting into this one here for a while. It was quite a pain, not fun. And then it started getting late. I think I was at it with just the rock section for about 2.5, almost 3 hours. Grinding a little bit, picking them out. Grinding a little bit, picking them out. Nightmare. Totally sucked. But when my guys needed me, I had to go do a couple other things. So my goal today is to finish getting this one done, hauling in a couple more truckloads of topsoil, maybe finishing that whole section today, and then setting up on this one over here to grind this one. And then all I got to do is just haul out that little pile of crap, topsoil, seed, and hay, and then we're done. So apparently, when I was grinding this stump right here that had all the rocks, my GoPro got hot and shut off. I didn't know that was a thing. So for everything that I did not record that I thought I was recording, disappeared. All these rocks came out of the stump that was right there. So we're gonna, now that it's a little shady out, we're gonna set up on this one and see how we get going on it. See if we can get something done this afternoon. All right. Unfortunately, I kept forgetting to turn on the GoPro, and having overheating issues, I just completely forgot about the last couple things we had to do. But we are wrapped up. We ground 5 stumps. We had one over there, one right here, one over there, one next to the telephone pole, and one kind of in the middle of the yard where they said they ground it, but they didn't. We hauled off 10 or 12 yards of debris, sticks, wood, rocks, crap, all that jazz. And we hauled in 26 yards of screened topsoil that I make myself. What a job. Glad that it's over with. And the section that we did first, which was over here, we wrapped this section up Thursday and Friday. We already have we had some grass growing, and it's about 1 inch long, and I didn't even starter fertilize that. So we should be seeing some grass growing here on this section come next week, and that section should be completely covered. We did a bunch of other stuff here. They want us to do some more work later on in the year, some installs once the lawn comes in and everything for their son, possibly. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But until next time.